Life is overwhelming and we're pulled in a million directions, and it's easy to lose ourselves in the chaos. But what if you could carve out just 30 minutes a day to reconnect with who you are? Rediscover your creativity and find a sense of calm. That's what I'm doing. 100 days of showing up at 4:30 a.m. Yes, you heard me right. 4:30 a.m. Central to create unscripted, imperfect art that's all about finding joy in the process. And I want to take you along for the ride. This isn't about being perfect or polished. It's about being real. I'm literally rolling out of bed at 4:30 a.m. Central, grabbing coffee and diving into my creative process. No makeup, no shower, just raw, authentic creativity. Why 4:30 a.m.? Because my day starts early, and this is the only time I could truly dedicate myself before the world wakes up. It's my quiet moment to prioritize me, to start my day with intention and joy rather than the dread of the 9 to 5 job. It's about reclaiming my mornings. And here's the best part. You don't have to do it alone. Let's explore this together while we ratchet up your art. I always believe that art should be a form of stress relief, a way to escape the chaos of life and reconnect with ourselves. For me, this 100-day journey isn't just about creating collages. It's about creating in general. Whether it's a collage or a mixed media piece of art, the goal is really simple. Set time aside for you. While I'll mostly be creating collages, I may find some days call for making more jelly prints instead. This journey is about honoring what we need in the moment and showing up for ourselves every single day. Why am I doing this? Because I've been where many of you are right now, feeling stretched too thin, like there's no time left for myself. Between work and family and life's endless demands, I realized I was losing touch with what made me feel alive. Creativity became my way back to myself. And it's not just about making perfect art, it's about showing up and creating something beautiful. And now, I want to share that with you. Here's the thing. Most of us are stuck in this cycle of unrealistic expectations. We're constantly giving to others, our jobs, our families, but rarely do we give ourselves permission to take time for what we need. We tell ourselves, we'll make time someday, but someday just never comes. And the constant pressure leaves us feeling drained, undervalued, and disconnected from who we are. And honestly, that is so exhausting. I realized that if I wanted to break free from the cycle of being overwhelmed, I had to make a bold change. So I decided to participate in the 100-Day Project, a free global art project where thousands of people commit to creating every day for 100 days. But here's the thing. Instead of starting on the official date, I'm beginning on March 8th because that timing works out better for me in my 9 to 5 job. And while the 100-Day Project has a place online where participants can share their work publicly, I wanted something a little bit more intimate, a space where we could connect as a community and support each other through this creative journey. During these 100 days, I'll be live every morning at 4:30 a.m. Central, creating raw, unscripted art while sharing journaling prompts designed to help you reflect on your own journey. These prompts will also be available in my community on community.com, a place where you can document your reflections, upload your work, and reconnect with others. Link below in the description to join me in the community. So how do you get started? Well, here's your next steps. Every morning at 4:30 a.m. Central, I'll be on YouTube creating art for the day while sharing tips and insights along the way. These sessions will be raw, unscripted, just me showing up authentically. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I go live every morning. If you're curious about how I am going to prepare for these 100 days, including how I organize my materials and set myself up for success, check out my next video. It's packed with tips to help you get started as well. This project isn't just about perfection. It's about showing up for yourself every single day and making space for creativity in your life. Whether you're joining me at 4:30 a.m., watching the replays later in the day, or sharing your work in our community, know that this space is where imperfections is celebrated and creativity is embraced. So grab your coffee or tea and set time aside for yourself each day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join our community. All those links are below in the description. And let's explore this journey together. I cannot wait to see what we create together.